What is up, my beautiful best friends? My hair is looking real rough. I'm gonna let my hair just do what it wants. It's also really hot in here, one sec. Oh! This video is maybe gonna be a mess, maybe gonna work out to be good. So I recently dyed my hair. It's like a platinum-ish, but it's a little like orangey yellow tinted right now because I haven't toned it in like a week or so. So it's at the point where like I would do the toning and make it look more like purplish, silver, platinum, but I thought instead of doing that today, why not dye my hair a fun color? I've been getting so many comments talking about how damaged my hair is. I've been doing a lot of stuff to take care of my hair, and I think it's gotten a lot healthier. It's unstraightened. This is like, I woke up like this hair. When I originally got my hair done, I wanted it more like purplish, bluish, you feel me? So that's what we're doing today. I know a lot of you guys are gonna come at me saying, your hair is already so damaged. Why do you keep dyeing it, blah, blah, blah. The product I'm using, I don't think should damage my hair already more than it is. It's a temporary dye, so it only lasts like 10 shampoos, 4 shampoos. It lasts 4 to 8 shampoos. I don't know, I've been taking good care of my hair. It feels good, so I think I can do this. You know, I can always wear wigs, shave my head. There's other options. Woo! I'm excited to do this. I'm just like over this hair color, I guess, already. I am all over the place. So the product I'm gonna use is the L'Oreal Colorista, and this is in Blue 600. Actually, it's hashtag Blue 600. It looks like this. You have to have really light hair to use this product. This room is really like orange tinted. Hopefully I can fix it in editing. Let me do a flash real quick. You can see the real color of my hair. I'm wearing clothes I don't care about because just in case the stains. I don't know, we're just gonna go crazy. It's semi-permanent, nothing crazy. I'm gonna comb my hair first. I've been using a comb because it's a lot more gentle on your hair rather than a brush. Yeah, it looks way more orange in the camera. These hairs, my baby hairs, get like curly and frizzy. It's not a good time, but also if I go over here, my face is all stretched. Like, do you see what I have to deal with every day? Instructions. I ripped them. All right, going great so far. Oh, I ripped the worst spot. I ripped the do's and don'ts. Why am I nervous? Wait, what? Step 1, shampoo and dry hair. I don't want to shampoo my hair. I shampooed it yesterday, it should be fine, right? Right, okay. Step 2, choose the sections of the hair that you want to color. The whole head. Combine color system with our clear mixer. It did not give me no clear mixer. Gloves. To protect. Oh, so many gloves. Oh, wow. Should I have people helping me with this? Is that what that means? Okay, comes with this brush, which is handy dandy. What takes longer to dye? Roots? So I do my roots first? Yeah. Let's see. Oh my god. You know what? Do I section off my hair? Just, do I have a free-for-all? I kind of want to have a free-for-all. This is not a tutorial. We're just having fun with this. Okay. Oh, we're just going the Mel route. Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay, so this looks kind of purple, which I was picking between blue or purple. Oh my god. Kind of just gonna have fun with this. I'm excited though. I don't think I've ever had blue hair. And I'd be honest, usually I would be much more professional with doing my hair. If I looked up a tutorial or something, probably would do a much better job. I wanted this to be a fun, try it out with me, experiment, and you guys can learn from my mistakes, right? That's why I do what I do. So I'm rubbing it in the roots. Yeah, buddy. Oh, my most recent obsession is Jersey Shore and Snooki and JWoww. I've been watching it non-stop. If you guys watch it, let me know who your favorite character is. I like Snooki, DJ Polly. Roots come with the roux. You know what? I don't think I'm doing too bad at this. Also, I don't want it like electric blue, so I don't want to leave it in that long. Like, I want it pastel blue. You feel me? So I'm trying to hurry up so it doesn't already stain my hair. This shouldn't be too bad. I just like to have fun. And this is my definition of fun. Don't ask me. Oh. I think it'd be cool if like some parts were lighter and some parts were darker. I'm just impatient and I wanted blue hair. All right. How's it looking? What if it turns my hair green? Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm gonna put more on my roots. I'm almost done with the whole tube. We're almost there. Oh my god. Yep, this is happening. I'm just checking throughout my hair now for spots that I missed. Okay, I'm gonna do one last little squirt. Just make sure everything is distributed evenly. I'm gonna take my comb, just comb it out and kind of to see if it's even. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and then I'll be back. How does my hair look?
Are you filming?
Yeah! Come say hi to the camera. What?
Damn, girl, you looking good. I like
Come
it.
say hi.
Oh, yeah.
It's been 10-15 minutes. Now I'm gonna go wash it out. This is what it looks like 10 to 15 minutes later. I'll be back with blue hair. Oh no. Oh, definitely looks like different colors. I'm back with, so I think the roots are darker than the rest of it, which is kind of what I wanted. Lighter and darker pieces throughout it. Does it look good? It is wet right now, so it's probably gonna look really different. It came out really easily. Like, it barely had any color, like in the water, you know, when you dye your hair and then you wash it out, it's like the water is the color of the hair dye. Like, it was blue at first and then just went clear like instantly. So I guess most of the product stays on your hair. I'm just like looking in the viewfinder because I have blue hair. I'm gonna put some, pardon how gross it looks, I'm gonna put some of this Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. I'm gonna wait for it to air dry and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm back. So this is what it looks like, almost dry. It's not completely done drying yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I have like an orangey tinted light in here, so I don't know if that's gonna mess up like what the color actually looks like. Wait, yeah, it looks really different. Looks like this. I thought it was gonna be more of a, what was it?
What melody?
I can't remember. Pastel! You. I like it more with the light on. I think it looks cuter. I'm probably gonna wash it a couple times to make it lighter and try to get it more pastel. It's only gonna be in my hair for like a week, so can't really complain about much. I like it though. I think it'll look really cute styled too. So yeah. Hey, it's honestly been like a week or two since I've filmed that part of the video. I don't have makeup on, just some eye stuff that hasn't washed off. I wanted to give you guys an update on my hair because my hair has been through so much the past couple of weeks. So it was that blue color, as you could see, you know, a couple minutes ago, or 10 seconds ago, it was blue. So I pretty much was working on my hair for a long time, like a long time, like every day. Like the amount of products that are in front of me, like I was trying everything. And I realized like I just wanted like purpley, pinkish blue hair, and I was like, how am I gonna get this? Like I did a ton of research. Right now my hair looks really pink because of the lighting. I'll fix it in editing and I'll put some clips of like what my hair really looks like. It really depends the lighting, which I kind of like. Like in some lighting my hair looks kind of pink. Sometimes it looks purple. Sometimes it looks like coolish purple, you know, more like bluey purple. You know, it looks kind of like naturally highlighted. I don't know. I've been making sure my hair stays healthy and feels good. I'm actually really happy with it. It's like kind of the perfect color I've always wanted. It took me a lot of tries, but we did it. And I saved a lot of money by not going to a salon. I kind of want to do bangs. Like I have these like baby hairs that are growing out, or I don't know what's going on. I think someone cut my hair in my sleep. There's a couple, but like, I don't know. I thought I would show you guys what my hair looks like now. Updated. I didn't leave it looking like that. I'm impatient and I want what I want when I want it. It's really bad. I really wanted to be happy with my hair and like have it a fun, cool, like artsy color that I haven't done before. Something out of the box for me. So I'm kind of shocked I did it on my own. I can be a beauty guru sometimes. I also want to apologize for not posting like as often as I guess like I made it sound like I was gonna. I'm currently moving from my Bay Area house to LA. I'm like packing everything up. It's been insane. Moving is one of the most stressful things I feel like anybody can do. So I've been dealing with that, and instead of just saying like I'm gonna be posting hella content blah blah blah, I'm just gonna have you guys wait and see. When I get settled, girl, like I've been all over the place. Like I haven't even had like a bed. I haven't had my area. I haven't had whatever. And I'm excited to just wait, but stick with me. I also just wanted to spend some time focusing on myself. Been through a whirlwind of emotions recently, and it's gotten kind of the best of me, but I'm working through it. Things are good, and I'm excited to be active. I just want to post. I want to we're getting there. I've been keeping up with my Instagram, I'd say, more than my YouTube, just like with stories. I've been on it with stories and stuff. I'm just like, balance girl, I'm trying to find it. But if you want to keep up with me on my Instagram, it's mel.joy. Yeah, it's right here. So I'm gonna go finish packing. So I love you guys to infinity and beyond. I mean it when I say it, and I hope you know that. And I'll hopefully see your beautiful face in my next video. Deuces.